Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make enchiladas with green sauce. We'll start by gathering all the fresh ingredients needed for a delicious, vibrant green sauce. Then, we'll prepare your chosen filling, whether it's shredded chicken or a savory cheese blend. Finally, we'll warm the tortillas to ensure they are pliable and easy to roll without breaking. This simple process ensures a perfect enchilada every time. Now, let's craft that amazing green sauce. First, roast your tomatillos, jalapenos, and garlic until they are beautifully tender and slightly charred. Next, blend these roasted vegetables with fresh cilantro and a bit of chicken or vegetable broth until smooth. Finally, simmer the sauce gently on the stovetop. This step allows the flavors to meld and deepen, creating a truly authentic taste for your enchiladas. Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding these enchilada tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes. And on another note, life's too short for a stinky car, right? Keep your ride fresh with Little Trees Black Ice. It's a simple way to make every drive more pleasant. You can find the link for that and other great deals in the description below. All right, now let's get back to the video. With your sauce and filling ready, it's time to assemble. Dip each warm tortilla into the green sauce, then add your filling and roll it tightly. Arrange these rolled enchiladas snugly in a baking dish. Pour the remaining green sauce generously over the top, ensuring every enchilada is covered. Finish with a layer of your favorite shredded cheese, then bake until golden and bubbly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.